Start with one whole can, just an entire box of these beef and cheese taquitos. So it looks all nice and pretty. And we're gonna douse everything with 2 cans of red enchilada sauce. Taco blend cheese, a can of black beans. I'm gonna get some of the Spanish style rice and pack it next to it. Cover the whole thing with this Fiesta blend. This is gonna go into a 350-degree oven for about half an hour. Doesn't that look amazing? I'm gonna go ahead and top it with a drained can of diced tomatoes and some chopped up green onions. I've got a container of sour cream that I'm going to be adding to, this is the juice of about 1.5 lemons. And then you're gonna drizzle that all over the top. And then you're gonna top everything with a little chopped cilantro. Look at those layers. Okay, put it in here. Look at that. Oh my God, so cheesy, so good.